My name is Alexey Zaitsevsky. Interceptor drone with net launcher is my hobby. To assess the economic potential, imagine a threat. Agro drone with chemical weapons and autonomous navigation flies over the city. Such a target can be stopped by physical impact. Now you see how innovation is born. This drone is designed to mechanically block light UAVs at a distance of few miles. The ratio between the drone's high engine thrust and low mass is its competitive advantage. It can fly fast. Drone rotors are used to spread the net. The high energy and mass of the rotors allows the use of a larger net. The drone is equipped with a parachute and a siren. The interceptor does not contain anything prohibited. It is classified as a racing drone. Several containers with interceptors can be placed on a patrol car. Current stage of the project is debugging.